Hello everybody, I'm Martijn Otten from Flexologic, and today I'm going to show you our MOM 2000 DD Plus Pro refurbished mounting machine. So actually when we sell new equipment, we often trade in used equipment, and then we totally refurbish this equipment and it goes out the door refurbished, but basically as new. What you can see on the machine is completely new electronics. The machine is completely recoated. New motors, new cameras, the software is updated to the latest version of our AVMOM mounting software. Basically the machine is updated to the current standards. So what you're going to see here is the MOM 2000 DD Plus Pro, which has a fixed height mounting table, a pressure roller and a vertically moving cylinder. So also see here is a chromed mandrel, which is included on the machine according to your specification. So basically you tell us what diameter or length the mandrel has to be, and we will make the mandrel included in the price. So it's a chrome mandrel, it's completely new. You can see here the locking system. We use on these machines a cantilever system, which you can see, and that also saves space. You can choose between air on the cylinder, which allows an adapter to be slid on, or a sleeve which goes directly on the base mandrel, or you can switch to an adapter air. We always recommend separate air adapters on our equipment from TechSleeve, which is our sister company. We manufacture sleeves and bridges, and on our mounting equipment we always recommend TechSleeves adapters for optimal compatibility with our mounting equipment. So I'm going to show you basically mounting two plates on this machine while explaining a bit more of the features. So what I'm going to do is take out the mandrel, put on the air. So for demonstration purposes, this sleeve is actually a bit shorter than the maximum mandrel width. This is just because this is what we had in-house to be able to show. So this is the front table. You see the machine has two cameras, also with laser pointers. The laser pointers are indicating roughly where I need to position the plate. So you can see here my printing plate. Press go to plate. See the cylinder is actually moving up vertically, and I get my plate in my mounting marks in the field of view. And using my manual positioning, I get the plate exactly in the right position, and I press plus on the keypad, which makes the cylinder move vertically just to touch the plate. Pressure roller down. You can see very easily, very quickly, I'm mounting the plate using the pressure roller, applying that to the tape. So when that's done, the pressure roller goes back up, and I can actually go to the check position. And so the machine is going to move back to the mounted marks. They look good. When I'm happy with that, I go to my next plate, and the machine will move. The cameras will move automatically to the next plate location, and the cylinder also rotates to the next plate location. So again, I repeat the same process. Get my front table in the right position. There we go. So again, I have my two mounting marks here. When I'm happy with that, I press plus. The nice thing of having the cylinder come up from underneath is you basically not disturbing the plate after the plate has been in position. there we go, that's sleeve mounted. When I'm done with that, the locking system, I turn on the air. And then I would proceed to my next color. Now I'm going to show you a bit more on the machine itself. You can see here the machine's frame is fully recoated, basically as new. All the mechanics have been refurbished. Also the electrical panel, as you can see, is completely new. So we have an industrial grade fanless PC in here, which is right here. All the drives, electrical drives here and there, they're all new. New PLC board, and the machine comes with 1 year manufacturer's warranty from us. Obviously, pricing is an interesting aspect of such a machine. You can see the motor to rotate the cylinder. It's also new, and we use harmonic drive gearboxes with zero backlash to drive the rotation of the cylinder. Also the table and the pressure roller, they are all new. So there you have it. Hope this was insightful for you to understand more about our refurbished automatic mounting machines. Thank you for your time.